Good morning, children. This is the term book, page number 6464. Division, D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division using, U-S-I-N-G, using a number, N-U-M-B-E-R, number strip, S-T-R-I-P, strip. This is the number strip. Already we learned addition with number strip and subtraction with number strip. Now we are going to learn division using a number strip. Okay, children? Let us divide 18 by 3 using a number strip. Do this. Start from 0. Okay, start from 0. Can take as many steps as 3 as possible till we reach 18. 18 by 3, no. That's why we can take 3 as possible till we reach 18. First we can take, what is the number? 3. 1, 2, 3. First jump. And again 3. 1, 2, 3. Second jump. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 9. Jump. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Again 2. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Again shall I? 1, 2? No. Why? Because here 18 by 3 only. That's why when we reach 18, that we can stop there. Okay. First step 1, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 9. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 12. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 15. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 18. 18. We will stop. Okay, children? How many jumps we taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. How many jumps we take? We have taken 6 jumps. That's why 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. Okay? Are you understood, children? Next one. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. We can take, start from 0. You can take first jump 3. 1. Again 1, 2, 3. What is the number? 6. You can jump to 6. Again 1, 2, 3. 9. You can jump from 9. 1, 2, 3. 12. You can jump till 12. 1, 2, 3. You can jump 1, 2, 3. What is the number? 15. You can jump. Shall I count 1, 2, 3? No. Why? This is the number 15 divided by 3 only. That's why we will stop 15. We have taken how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. This is the answer. 5. 15 divided by 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. Again, we can start from 0. How many? What is the number? 3. First jump 3. Okay. Again 1, 2, 3. 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 9. 1, 2, 3. 12. Shall I count 1, 2, 3? Shall I count? No. Why? The sum is 12 divided by 3. That's why we can take steps till 12 only. Because here 12 is there. That's why. Okay. How many jumps we have taken? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay children, are you understood? Are you understood children? Like this you have to complete this one and this one and this one. Okay, take a photo and send it to me children. Okay, next dividing. Next dividing, dividing, dividing a two-digit number, number by a one-digit number. Dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Example 1, divide 10 by 2. Divide 10 by 2. Step 1, 10 divided by 2. As shown, like this you have to do. 2 divide 10 by 2. 2 is divisor. Okay. Divisor 2. 10. Dividend. This 10 is called dividend. This 2 is called divisor. Divisor, dividend. Now we are going to read 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6. Shall I count 2 6 are 12? No. Why? Because here the number 10 only. That's why we will stop till 10. Okay. 2 fives are, you have to write 5 here. 2 fives are 10. You have to write 1 0 0 1. Okay. 0 0 cut 0. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. In this, the 2 is divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. 2 is divisor. 10 is dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend. 10 is dividend. Here 5. The 5 is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient. The answer, what is the answer? 0. The 0 is reminder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Reminder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Reminder. Children, you have to write these spellings each 5 times in your classwork. Okay. You have to do this sum in your classwork. Again, you have to write 2 divisor. Here 10 dividend, 5 quotient, reminder. Okay children, are you understood? And also you have to do these spellings each 5 times in your classwork. Okay. Multiplication table of 2 like this. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Write the 5th in the place of quotient above the dividend, 10 below 10 by 10. From 10 the dividend, subtract the product of 2 and 5, which is 10 again. You get 0 as the remainder. Thus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Like this already I explained to these children. I hope you all understood. Okay. Next. Divide 58 by 2. Divide 58 by 2. Now let us divide. Right? 58 divided by, you have to symbol of division. Okay, what is this? Symbol of division. 58 divided by 2. So like this you have to arrange. First, what is the number? 58. You have to write 58 and this is, okay. Here what? 2. 2 you can write here. First you have to do first place. What is the first number? 2. Okay. 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. What is the number? Only first you can take single digit. Okay children? 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 6 is bigger than 5. That's why we can stop 4 only. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 4 you can write. Okay. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4. 1. 1 you can write down. Okay. Next, what is the up number here? 8. 8 you can write directly down here. Okay. Now 1, 8, 18. Now 1, 8, 18. Now you can start the second 2 table till 18. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Shall I count 2 10s are? No. Why? Because we can stop till 18. Here 18 is there? No. That's why we can stop 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s. 9. You can write 9 here. 18 down you can write. 18 minus 18 is equal to 0. Are you understood, children? Now 58 divided by 2 is equal to, what is the? 29. 58 divided by 2 is equal to 29. Are you understood, children? Okay, you can fill this. You can fill this like this. 4 5s are 20. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 4 5s are 20, no? That's why 5. Okay, like this you have to complete this all these one. Next, 2 divided by 16 divided by 2. You can start the 2 table till 16. This first number is smaller than 2, no? That's why we can take 2 numbers. Okay, 2 numbers. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Like this you have to count. 2 8s are 16, no? 8, 1 6, 16 minus 0. Okay. Next 5. 5 2s are 10. You can count 5 table till 10 only. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. That's why you can write 2 up, down 10. You can minus 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, children. Next 5. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. 5 table, you can tell the table, 5 table till only 15 only. You can stop 15. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. Shall I count 5 4s are 20? Shall I count? No. Why? Because here the sum is only 15 is there. That's why we can stop till 15. Okay, children? 5 3s are 15. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, children? Like this you have to do all these sums. Okay? Are you understood, children? Next, this one. 24 divided by 2. You can write. Yes, 2. First number. First you have to identify first number is this number, this same or not. Okay. This number is bigger than 2 divisor. You can take first number. Okay. Otherwise you can take 2 numbers. Okay, children. Now 2. 2 1s are 2. You can write first 2. 2 1s are 2. 0. What is the number here? What is the number? 4. 4 you can write. Next, you can tell the table till 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 you can write here. 4. 0. Okay. 24. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 1 to 12. Okay. Like this. 36 divided by 2. 36. What is the number? 2. First, this number is bigger than 2? 2, no? That's why we can take first number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 to the 4. 4 is bigger. That's why we can stop only 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 1. 2 ones are 2. Yes. You can cut 2 from 3. Okay. 1, 2. Okay, children. 1. What is the number? You can cut 2 from 3. 1. 3 minus 2, 1. You can write, what is the number? 6. You can count 2 tables till 16. Okay. 2 8s are 16. You can 8, 16, 0. 16 minus 16, 0. Okay, children. Like this, you have to complete all this. Okay. Are you understood, children? Thank you. Complete this one. All this page complete and take a photo and send it to me. Okay, children. Thank you.